There's very cool strategy today to make money with, and we're going to use ChatGPT and its powers, okay? It's going to do the work for us, and I'm going to tell you how you can utilize this to get a lot of money with it. So just follow the steps, don't miss any of them, hit subscribe, and let's go. So first of all, this is what we can do today, okay? We can use ChatGPT, and you know ChatGPT, a lot of people are using it nowadays, but this is what I want you to ask from it, okay? Or is it him or her? I don't know anymore. So you can just type this in. Write an article about top 3 home gadgets you can find on Amazon. Gadget number 1 is Puro Air HEPA 14 air purifier. Second gadget is Cake Noodle Desk Mat, and the third one is Vegetable Chopper. Now, I have found these gadgets on Amazon, and I have told them to make an article about that because we can use this to make money with. And there can be a lot of money, guys, in Amazon affiliate program, okay? So this is what we're gonna go after. And with the help of ChatGPT and one more traffic source, we're gonna accumulate a lot of these customers for us, okay? Now, for example, you can see that this Cake Noodle Desk Mat is $14. So probably we can get like $3 or $4 for each one of those sales from only this mat. But if you go back, if I just show you the other product, you can see that this one is $160. So for this one, you can get at least $20 for each one of those sales. And this is what you want to do. You want to mix and match some of these which are more expensive and some of those which are like less, okay, which are cheap or something like that. So what do you want to do now? Is you want to let ChatGPT to write you an article about this one, okay? So this is what you have to write. And trust me, guys, the more information you give to ChatGPT, well, the more beautiful article is going to be. And it can revolve around all of your inputs, okay? So you can see right away it started to give me this like Puro Air HEPA 14 air purifier. So you can see long article, okay? This is what I need. I need some information. I need some facts about these products. And ChatGPT knows about them, okay? He knows everything. So now I'm just going to leave this to make me an article, and until it's done, we need to like become an affiliates for Amazon, okay? And that is going to be easily done. Anyone can apply in here. This is actually what you can do in order to make this easier. You can just type in Amazon affiliates and you will be able to click on this affiliate program Amazon.com, which is Associate Central. And in here, you can just sign up and then you will just go and recommend these products with the strategy that I'm going to get you. So you can just earn that money, and you can see that you can earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. Now, what is good about this program, about this affiliate marketing program, is that whenever someone clicks on your link, well, they can buy the product. But you can know, guys, that people don't actually buy everything they click on. The good thing about this program is that when they go, for example, in here and they come here through your link, well, they don't have to actually buy this product. Whatever product they buy in the next 1 or 2 hours from Amazon, you're going to get a commission from that because you led them here in the first place. So, for example, they just look at this purifier and they don't like it, all right? So they just go to air purifiers because they need air purifier in their home. They just can't decide which one to get. So they're just go and they're just going to go and search for another one, maybe cheaper one or maybe some more expensive one. But in that hour or 2, whichever one of these they choose, you're going to get a commission. So, for example, they just scroll and scroll. I'm just playing the role here. So, I don't know, they opt for this one. They just click on this one. But Amazon remembers that you have led them in here. So if they opt to buy with this one, you're going to get $20 for each one of those. Or they go buy, I don't know, some socks, well, you're going to get a commission for that. That's why this strategy is so good, okay? That cookie is tracking the customer and it knows where it came from, okay? So it came from you, okay? You were the first person who led them to Amazon. But let's get back to our strategy so I can actually show you how this works. So now we have this article, okay? So we have top 3 home gadgets you can find on Amazon. So what I want you to do is I want you to copy whole article, okay? Copy this in your clipboard. And then go to a website which is called Vocal.media, okay? Vocal.media is a website that gives you really good traffic source. And they have a lot of these articles inside of this, and there's a lot of people coming on this website. So what you have to do is you have to make yourself an account on Vocal.media, and you have to create a story, okay? So you can just sign in with Facebook, Twitter, Google, Apple, whatever you want to do. It's going to be faster this way. And then what you want to do, you want to create that story. But of course, the story has already been written, right? You have top 3 home gadgets you can find on Amazon. So that can be your title. That title can be like this, and you can just paste that in here. So basically, it's going to be top 3 home gadgets from Amazon. And now you just have to start writing in this box here. So you can see start writing. We already have our article, and we can just paste that in here. So we have these 3, okay? But the most important part is that now you just put a link in there which is going to lead to you, which is going to be your cookie. So this is where your affiliate link from Amazon is going, okay? This is the most important part, because if you don't put this, there is not going to be any money for you, okay? So you have to put your affiliate link from Amazon, and you can turn this into a link by selecting all of this text and clicking on this button which is entitled link. So when you click on this, this will open and you will just paste that link, okay? Just paste that in here. So whenever someone reads this, they can find this at the end. You can even put this one more at the top of your article so people have an easier time clicking on it. And as I've told you guys, whenever people click on it, they will be led to Amazon.com, and they don't necessarily have to buy this product that you are affiliating for. The cookie is staying for 1 or 2 hours, so you can get any commission out there, okay? You just have to be lucky a bit, and that's it. Now, of course, you can also create a video on InVideo.io based on the text that ChatGPT provided you with, because InVideo.io is also one AI software, but these guys also have something which is called text-to-video feature, okay? So text-to-video feature is a nice thing because you can just input the text, and InVideo is going to turn that text into a video, okay? So you can post that video on YouTube, on Rumble, wherever you want, guys. You just have to put your link at the description, and people are going to click on it, and they're going to buy a lot of things from Amazon, okay? So that's how it works. You don't need monetization on YouTube. You don't need nothing of that sort. You just have to have a video which is going to be seen by, I don't know, maybe 5,000 people. But of those 5,000 people, a lot of them are going to buy something, and that's going to be a lot of money for you. Everything can work, guys. You just have to take some action, and the money is going to come to you. Go and do it, and I'll catch you.